Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon profile. These are fun to do. These are really fun. It kind of breaks all rules. It's such an easy outline to start with. Just like this. That's it. Start this way. This is the front of the profile. This is the top of the head. This is the bottom of the head. So it's really funny. We'll just put the chin in here. And I think we're going to make it a little bit lower and already start to mold it. We change things as we go along all the time. Someone starts with a circle. It doesn't mean that it stays a circle. It just starts. You start that way. I'm going to make this come back a little further. I'm going to slope the forehead a little bit. I'll slope the forehead like that. And here is the eye line. So the eye will go right on here, a little on the high side. Not halfway, high up there, which is not actually correct. And a real person, it's halfway up the head, but it's not a real person. Don't tell him that, but it's not. Okay, so here's the eyebrow. And there's your nose coming right off here. The bridge of the nose hits the eye, same spot. We'll bring the mouth down for some fun. And I think I'll bring the chin up a little bit further. See that? I'll bring the neck straight down too. Making little adjustments as you go. And you don't have to do that. You might say, no, I like where mine is. That's fine. And I don't want the neck as thick as it is here, because it's kind of a meek character. So I'm going to bring the back of the head in, and therefore make all that neck mask go away right there. The ear will be low on the face, which is also not correct for a real person. Do you know that on a real person, the top of your ear is at the same level as your eyebrow? That's true. But in cartoons, we make exaggerations for everything. So you're probably used to it looking like this already, even though it's actually not correct. So let's have this hair come back here. I'll give him a little extra hair in the back. Come straight back here and out. This little angle here right next to the eyebrow. Shade that in. And I could just turn it into a solid line. Alright, now let me just darken this in and we'll see what we have. It's a very simple character. Easy to draw. But it has the basic principles that you see in more complex characters. Thick eyebrow will also give impact to a smaller eye. And now, because we've drawn the whole shape, we know that we're drawing this to go along with the top of the forehead, so it continues that line. I wanted to make that just a touch higher than the one I had drawn. So I made another adjustment there. Also, in real people, the ear never goes behind the head. It's always inside of the head. But that's part of the fun of cartoons. Now I'll put one strand of hair coming off here. And there you go. There is, well, I'll see if I can do this really quickly. Just give it a little more character. So as you can see, the most important thing from here is that you're molding it as you go along. I like to think sometimes as the characters as being built with clay. And you take some portion of the mass off here, you add some here, you adjust here. Nobody would start with a block of clay and figure it's got to stay a block. It's the same thing with a drawing. You start with a circle or start with an oval, it changes. Okay, so there we go. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I have more character designs I'd love to show and share with you. So please subscribe to my channel and you get them. New videos every week. Thanks. Bye-bye.